Happy morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Associate Professor of Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about inter second year mathematics. Topic is circles. In previous videos already we discussed some important basic definitions and problems on circles. Now today we have discussed about short answers and long answers questions for intermediate level. First one is, suppose S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is a represents a circle and p of x1 y1 be any point on the circle. If p is how we can find a position of a point. Position of a point means P is on the circle or inside the circle or outside the circle by taking a simple property is, first one is, then P lies outside of the circle. S is equal to 0 if and only if S11 is greater than 0. What is S11? Here S11 means x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2fy1 plus c. This is nothing but S11. This is the equation of S11. And P lies on the circle. S is equal to 0 if and only if S11 is equal to 0. P lies inside the circle. S is equal to 0 if and only if S11 less than 0. So this is the important result for circles. Suppose S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, represent a circle. S11 how we are writing? S11 means just x replaced x1 and y replaced y1 only. So therefore this is nothing but S11. P is a one point, P is any point x1, y1. That P is outside the circle of the circle. S is equal to 0 means S11 is greater than 0. So our final value is more than 0. P outside the circle. Our final value is equal to 0 on the circle. P lies inside the circle means P S11 less than 0. Example, find the position of the point P 2, minus 1 with respect to the circle. So here in this case, first of all, S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. So immediately what is the point? 2, minus 1. So this is nothing but x1, y1 only. So how you can check position of the circle means just you can find the value of S11. So S11 is equal to, S11 means x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 minus 4y1 plus 3 only. So you put the value x1 replaced 2, y1 replaced minus 1. So 2 whole square plus minus 1 whole square minus 2 into 2 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 3. This is equal to 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 5 plus 3. So plus 4 minus 4 cancel only. This is 1 plus 5, 6 is 9 only. 9 greater than 0. Therefore P is outside the circle. P is outside of the circle S is equal to 0. Suppose you put the value, our value becomes 0 inside the circle. So here in this case 2 square plus minus 1 whole square, 2 into 2, 4 into minus 1 plus 5 equals to 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 4 plus 3, nothing but 8. So it's greater than 0, therefore P is outside the circle. So our value is equal to 0 inside the circle, on the circle, less than 0 inside the circle only, right? The equation of the circle passing through x1 y1 x2 y2 as diameter of the points, diameter of the points is, the formula is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So therefore this is the, actually here we are writing this is the circle. So this point, this is A point and this is B point. So this is nothing but a diameter of the circle. So diameter of the circle, this is x1 y1, another is x2 y2. This is the diameter of the circle. Then immediately we have to find out the equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So find the equation of the circle passing through points 4, 2 and 1, 5 as a diameter of the circle. This is actually we are what we are given that only, this is the circle only, right? So this is the center. Immediately this first point is 4, 2, second point is 1, 5 as a diameter, right? So therefore the equation of the circle is A point is 4, 2, B point is 1, 5. So x1 y1 and x2 y2. What is the standard formula? The equation of the circle passing through A, B. So A, B, AB is a diameter, AB as a diameter is, what is the formula? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0, right? That implies, here x1 is 4, x minus 4 into x minus 1 plus y minus 2 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. So you can simplify x square plus y square. Here minus x minus 4x minus 5x plus y square, already we are written, and minus 5y minus 2y minus 7y plus 4 plus 10, 14 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle passing through points 4, 2 and 1, 5 as a diameter of the circle. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points A minus 4, 3 and B 3, minus 4 where AB is a diameter. The symbol is known as the same model for the second problem. So this is the center only. So this is A point minus 4, 3, this is an A point, and B point is 3, minus 4. So therefore equation of the circle is, directly we are writing, so x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Implies x minus 4 plus 4 into x minus 3, because of this is x1 y1 and x2 y2 plus y minus 3 into y plus 4 is equal to 0. Implies x square plus y square plus here minus 3x plus 4x means plus x. Another is minus 3y plus 4y plus y. Another is minus 12 minus 24 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle passing to the point minus 4 comma 3 and 3 comma minus 4, where AB is a diameter of the circle. So thank you very much for good listening. Thank you one and all.